So today you and I are going to take a stroll through several streets in Gramercy Park. I'm going to point out several forms of housing and give you an idea of what it will cost to live here. Before I begin the tour, if this is your first time visiting my channel, hi, my name is Celia and I'm a licensed real estate salesperson specializing in residential properties in the Gramercy, Chelsea, Flatiron, Village, Hudson Yards communities in New York City. In the event you're looking to rent, buy, sell, or invest in either of these environments, and you aren't already working with another agent, it would be my pleasure to assist you with the process. So we're going to start our tour on East 19th Street in a road that's known as Block Beautiful. So Block Beautiful is between Irving Place and 3rd Avenue in Gramercy Park. So it's a very picturesque block, as you can see. Lots of beautiful homes, different types of architecture. And in the past, this was an area like an art colony. The first place I'm going to point out to you is this historic landmark townhouse at number 128 East 19th Street. This townhouse is the former home of New York City Ballet co-founder Lincoln Kirstein. He created the School of American Ballet in 1934 with George Balanchine. This property is 6,000 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and is currently on the market for $7,500,000. So here we have a nice plaque in the front telling you about this historic home and its former famous owner. So we're going to make our way further down East 19th Street, and then we're going to turn the corner on East 20th Street. I'm going to point out to you a new condo development. What you're currently looking at is 200 East 20th Street. So this condo property was built in 2024. It was designed by the architectural firm Cetra Ruddy. It is 20 stories, has 52 units, which range in size from 1 to 3 bedrooms. Prices start at $1.7 million. So the third place I'd like to show you is 36 Gramercy Park East. It's the only historic pre-war condominium property that faces Gramercy Park. It was built in 1910, it's 12 stories, and has 46 units. Currently, there's a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom on the market for $5,475,000. So it's a shame that we have all the scaffolding, but anyhow, hopefully you get a sense of the grandeur and the beauty of this magnificent historic building. So residents of this building have park privileges at Gramercy Park, which is directly in front of us. So if you watched my earlier video, you know that Gramercy Park is a private park. Only residents who live in one of the 39 buildings surrounding the perimeter of this park are granted park privileges. Our final stop today is a boutique co-op building on East 21st Street known as Little Gramercy. Little Gramercy was built in 1930. It's 5 stories and has 40 units. There are currently 2 units on the market. One unit is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom for $465,000. The other unit is a 2 bedroom, 1 bath unit for $995,000. So my friends, we've come to the end of yet another tour. I hope that you enjoyed it and you found the information useful. In the event you do and you haven't already done so, I'd appreciate it if you'd like my video and subscribe to my channel. And I look forward to you joining me again in the near future on another tour of one of the communities that I serve. Until then, you take great care of yourself and enjoy the rest of your day. Bye-bye.